Hi friends, my name is Umesh Arya and I'm a teacher in the Faculty of Media Studies, Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology. This tutorial is all about the web data extraction, which simply means that uh, we can download the document files like PDF, Excel, DOCS, etc. in mass. For that, we will go to the net first, and this is Google, and I have run a query in this educational technology double quotes file type. I have mentioned as docx, that is document word document extension. So it is showing me total 157 results. Like you can see, all the results are in the doc format. So assuming that all these 157 results, they are valid, and I want to download all the doc files simultaneously. So what I'll do is I'll copy this hyperlink under which the search was performed, and I will go to a software which is like Outwit Docs. Let me tell you how to download this. First, go to the internet and enter Outwit Docs. Click the first link and download this software. It is free. Once it is downloaded, then it is available in the tray. Just open it. There will be some link copied here, so you delete that link and paste your link which was copied from the Google. Paste and press enter. So if the internet connection is working, everything is good, then it should download. Yes, it is downloading. Yeah, all the doc files. So it is showing the current live download, but it's not the case because it is not complete as yet. For the complete download, go to the file and save all documents in. Press this and select some folder for this. I have already selected this minor exam folder. Click this and come to the desktop, and here is the folder, that minor exam. If I open this, then you can see that the doc files, they are being downloaded. Yeah, yes, they are being downloaded. Earlier it had only 3 files. Now the system is downloading the doc files. So it will run in the real time. uh, so I now I'll now delete this. Open. Okay, suppose I want the result in the PDF format. So I'll replace this docx with a docx with a PPT, and I'll press and then it is showing me 1890 results. Now these are all PPT files where the educational technology word has appeared somewhere in the slides. For downloading all these 1890 results, again the process is the same. Just copy this link, go to this Outwit doc, and just wait. It is opening. Delete this link and paste your link, which was just copied by you, and press enter, and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, it is doing that. All these files, they are being downloaded. For ensuring the complete download, just go to the menu, save all documents in, specify a folder. Like I have already specified the minor exam folder, minor exams. Yeah, and I'll select the folder and I'll minimize this. Yeah, and then I'll open my minor exams folder, and I'll see that the PDF files, they are getting downloaded. So I'm not doing anything right now. I have just made use of the output doc and entered the right command, and it is downloading all the PPTs by itself. If you close this, then downloading will stop. So it is advisable to keep both the things open. And again, going to the internet, this PPT can be replaced by TXT, or it can be replaced by any desired extension. And the same way, the files can be downloaded. So uh, outwit doc, as the name suggests, it is outwit documents. So any extension which qualifies for a document file will be downloaded. So you can apply this software for your data scraping jobs, and ensuring the mass downloading of the document files. Thank you so much.